everyone, my name is Anisha Putri Ramawati. My study number are 2341257 for class accounting 2028. Today I would like to present a topic that is becoming increasingly important in the modern business world, namely company responsibility. As business grow and become more influential in society, people expect companies not only to generate profits but also to contribute positively to employees, customers, communities, and the environment. Therefore, company responsibility has become an essential aspect of organizational management and corporate governance. What is company responsibility? Company responsibility refers to the obligation of a company to operate ethically, legally, and sustainability while considering the interests of all stakeholders. These stakeholders include shareholders, employees, customers, suppliers, government, local communities, and society as a whole. Traditionally, business focus mainly on maximizing profit. However, modern organizations are expected to balance financial performance with social and environmental responsibilities. Company responsibility means that organizations should not only ask how much profit can we make, but also how will our decision affect people and the environment. In today's business environment, responsible companies recognize that long-term success depends on maintaining trust, ethical behavior, and sustainable practices. The importance of company responsibility. Company responsibility is important for several reasons. First, it helps build trust and credibility. Customers are made likely to support companies that demonstrate ethical behavior and social responsibility. Second, responsible companies often enjoy a stronger reputation, which can increase customer loyalty and attract investors. Third, company responsibility contributes to employee satisfaction. Employees are generally more motivated and communicate that when they work for organizations that share positive values and contribute to society. Fourth, responsible business practices help reduce legal risks, environmental problems, and social conflict. Finally, company responsibility support long-term business sustainability by ensuring that resources are used wisely and stakeholders are treated fairly. Dimension of company responsibility. Company responsibility can be divided into several dimensions. One, economic responsibility. The first responsibility of any business is economic responsibility. Companies must generate profits and remain financially stable. Without profitability, a company cannot survive, pay employees, invest in innovation, or contribute to society. Economic responsibility includes producing quality products and services, operating efficiently, creating jobs, providing return to shareholders. Although profit is important, responsible companies achieve it through ethical and sustainable means. The second dimension is legal responsibility. Organizations must comply with laws and regulations established by government and regulatory authorities. They include following labor laws, paying tax properly, complying with environmental regulations, following accounting and financial reporting standards, respecting consumer and protection laws. Legal compliance is the minimum standard expected from every organization. Failure to comply with laws and result in penalties, lawsuits, financial losses, and reputation damage. The third dimension is ethical responsibility. Ethical responsibility goes beyond legal requirements. It involves doing what is right, fair, and just, even when not required by law. Examples include treating employees fairly, avoiding discrimination, ensuring honest advertising, providing safe products, preventing corruption and bribery. Ethical companies make decisions based on not only on profit but also on moral principles and values. Ethical behavior helps create trust among customers, employees, and stakeholders. Environmental responsibility. Environmental responsibility refers to a company obligation to protect and preserve the natural environment. Business can have significant impacts on air, water, land, and natural resources. Therefore, companies should minimize environmental harm and promote sustainability. Example include reducing waste and pollution, conserving energy and water, recycling materials, using environmentally friendly technologies, reducing carbon emissions. Environmental responsibility is becoming increasingly important as concern about climate change and sustainability continue to grow. Customers today often favor companies that demonstrate environmental awareness. Another important aspect is social responsibility. Social responsibility refers to a company commitment to improving the well-being of society and local mentorship, donating to charities, supporting healthcare initiatives, participating in community development projects, creating employment opportunities. Society responsible companies recognize that they are part of society and should contribute to social progress. Corporate social responsibility or CSR. One of the most common concepts related to company responsibility is CSR. CSR refers to business practice that integrate social, environmental, and ethical concerns to company operations and interactions with stakeholders. The objective of CSR include improving community welfare, protecting the environmental, promoting ethical behavior, supporting sustainable development. Many organizations allocate part of their resources to CSR programs because they understand that business success and social welfare are interconnected. CSR is not simply a charitable activity, it is a strategic approach that creates value for both the company and society. Benefits of company responsibility. There are many benefits associated with responsible business practices. For companies, improve corporate reputation, increase customer loyalty, better employee motivation and retention, stronger relationship with stakeholders, reduce legal and operational risk, greater long-term profitability. For society, improve quality of life, environmental protection, economic development, job creating, better access to education and healthcare. For employees, fair treatment, safe working conditions, career development opportunities, increase job satisfaction. Challenge in implementing company responsibility. Despite its benefits, implementing company responsibility can be challenging. One challenge is balancing profit goals with social and environmental objectives. Another challenge is the cost associated with sustainability programs, employee welfare initiatives, and community projects. Some organizations may also face pressure from shareholders who focus primarily on short-term financial performance. Additionally, multinational companies often face different legal and cultural expectations across countries, making responsible management more complex. However, many organizations have found that responsible practices generate long-term benefits that outweigh short-term costs. Example of company responsibility. Many successful organizations have adopted responsible business practices. For example, Unilever has implemented sustainability initiatives focused on reducing environmental impact and improving social welfare. Similarly, Microsoft invests in education, digital inclusion, and environmental sustainability programs. These companies demonstrate that profitability and responsibility can coexist and support each other. The role of leadership in company responsibility. Leaders play a crucial role in promoting company responsibility. They establish organization values, set ethical standards, and encourage responsible decision making. Effective leaders lead by example, promoting ethical behavior, encourage sustainability, support employee well-being, ensure compliance with laws and regulations. Leadership commitment is essential for creating a culture of responsibility throughout the organization. In conclusion, company responsibility refers to the obligation of organizations to operate in the ethical, legal, social, responsible, and environmentally sustainable manner. The main dimension of company responsibility include economic responsibility, legal responsibility, ethical responsibility, environmental responsibility, and social responsibility. By embracing these responsibilities, companies can build trust, improve performance, strengthen stakeholders' relationships, and contribute positively to the society. In today's world, successful companies are no longer judged solely by their profits, but also by the positive impact they create for people, communities,